Welcome back to Mastering Print on Demand, your path to online success. In today's episode, we're going to provide you with an in-depth guide on how to set up your print on demand store, ensuring you're well prepared to kickstart your online business journey. First up, choose your platform. Scene-Song. Selecting the right platform is crucial for the success of your print-on-demand store. Let's explore some popular options. Shopify, known for its user-friendly interface and robust features, offers a comprehensive e-commerce solution tailored for beginners and experienced entrepreneurs alike. Etsy, ideal for creatives and artisans, provides a marketplace environment where you can showcase your unique print-on-demand products to a niche audience. WooCommerce If you prefer a more customizable solution, a WordPress plugin allows you to build a fully functional online store integrated seamlessly with your WordPress website. Take your time to research each platform's features, pricing, and compatibility with print-on-demand integrations before making your decision. Next, set up your store. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to roll up your sleeves and start building your store. Follow these steps. Create an account. Sign up for an account on your chosen platform and follow the on-screen instructions to get started. Choose a domain name. Select a memorable domain name that reflects your brand identity and resonates with your target audience. Customize your store. Personalize your store's appearance by selecting a theme, uploading your logo, and configuring colors and fonts to match your brand aesthetics. Lastly, add your products. Now it's time to populate your store with your print-on-demand products. Here's how. Integrate print-on-demand services. Install and configure print-on-demand integrations such as Printful, Printify, or Guten to seamlessly sync your designs and product listings with your store. Upload your designs. Showcase your creativity by uploading high-quality designs to your chosen products, ensuring they accurately represent your brand and resonate with your target audience. Set pricing and descriptions. Determine competitive pricing for your products and craft compelling product descriptions that highlight their unique features and benefits. To stand out in the crowded e-commerce landscape, it's essential to differentiate your store with captivating branding and seamless user experience. Consider the following customization options. Branding elements. Infuse your store with your brand's personality through consistent branding elements, such as logos, color schemes, and imagery. Navigation and layout. Optimize your store's navigation and layout to ensure intuitive browsing and easy access to product categories, featured collections, and promotional offers. Enhance your store's functionality and streamline your workflow with essential plugins and apps designed to optimize various aspects of your business. SEO optimization. Improve your store's visibility on search engines by installing SEO optimization plugins that help you optimize meta tags, headings, and image alt text. Email marketing. Build and nurture relationships with your customers through email marketing apps that allow you to create targeted campaigns, automate follow-ups, and analyze performance metrics. Social media integration. Expand your reach and engage with your audience across multiple channels by integrating social media plugins that enable seamless sharing of products and content on popular platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. By following these detailed steps, you'll be well equipped to establish a professional and profitable print-on-demand store that resonates with your target audience. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll delve into sourcing products and finding reliable suppliers to fulfill your print on demand orders. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest releases. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode as we continue our journey to mastering print on demand together.